TUV certification is issued by the German Technical Inspection Association TUV, represents products that have passed rigorous testing and review, comply with specific international or industry standards. The following is the importance of TUV certification. Quality and reliability guaranteed. TUV certification of a product means it meets the high-quality requirements of international standards, rigorously tested and reviewed. Safety guarantee. TUV certification emphasizes product safety. Ensure it complies with relevant safety standards and reduce potential risks. Independent third-party verification. TUV is an independent third-party agency with objectivity and reliability, verified by professional auditing agencies. In summary, TUV certification provides consumers with reliable product quality and safety guarantee. It is a trustworthy reference mark when purchasing.